Hey guys, Luke Bartley here with the Bartley Builds. This video we're going to build this wall hanging that holds this ice axe. To start things off, I'm breaking up some steel wool into some vinegar to stain the wood. I'm going to put that in the container, set it to the side, and let it do its thing. This project's a gift, so I didn't have the ice axe, but I had the dimensions of it, so I just threw together some PVC pipe to help with the sizing on it. Went ahead and cut my pieces down to final size because there's not too much to this project. Sent them through the table saw one side to clean up one edge, and then adjusted the fence, and then sent them through the other way. Here I'm wetting the wood grain down to kind of raise it a little bit and soften it up, and then come in with a wire brush by hand and try to take some material away to make it look rough. Then I tried with some nails to scratch it and make some gouges in it. Tried this for a little bit both ways, and I just don't have the patience for it, so I went ahead and switched over to a angle grinder with a wire wheel, and it made it quick work. You gotta be careful with that because you can take too much too fast. And I like the way it came out. It looked old and weathered more so than new pine boards from your home center. When I got done with the wire wheel, I went over it with palm sander just to soften it a little bit so there's no sharp edges or anything on it. Just smoothed out the lines on it, make it look a little more natural. Then I went ahead and started gluing these pieces together. Just fastened them through the back side of it with some wood screws. And once this is done, you'll see no fasteners from the front side. Everything will be from the back, which I thought looked kind of neat. So I continued gluing it and screwing it together until it was mostly assembled. To hang this on the wall, I'm using a French cleat. I used one of the pieces and ripped it down on the table saw at a 45-degree angle to create that cleat. I hit it with the angle grinder before I ripped that piece into a cleat, so when it's hanging on the wall, it'll look as seamless as possible. Went ahead and glued it and attached it with some screws, and we're good to go on that. Here I am finally applying the steel wool and vinegar mixture. See how that turns out. It ended up being a lot more red than I thought it would be. I don't know if I just let it sit too long and it started rusting too much or what happened there, but I ended up liking the look of it. It's just not the normal gray that I'm used to seeing with that. So if you guys know why it would have turned so red compared to gray, let me know down in the comments. And here I am just marking out the holes to drill that's going to receive the rope to hang the axe on. Had a little bit of tear out there from the drill, so I went ahead and brushed some steel wool and vinegar mixture over on that to get it to darken up as well. And I finished it with a few coats of satin polyurethane, sanding in between coats. Now just to attach the rope, I taped up one end to make it easier to slide through the hole, and then tied a knot on the other side and looped it through. And one last test fit with the PVC ice axe, and we're good to go.
And there we have it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This was a fun project to do. Never used the steel wool and vinegar mixture before. It was pretty neat. Wasn't expecting it to turn this reddish color that it did, but it still looks really nice. So anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That will help me out a ton. Thank you.